Hello sir, today I'm going to show how to do a linear queue and a circular queue. First of all, for the linear queue, I've taken the header file as hash include iostream for the CPP program, and I've taken string.h to declare the string functions. Taken using namespace std to call all the library functions, and I have defined here size as 5 as a global variable. I've taken few more global variables, integer r equals to -1, initialize it to -1, f equals to -1, and I. I've taken an array of size 5. Here, first I've taken a function void insert. In that, if r equals to 4, then the queue is full, as the size of the queue is 5. Then it starts from 0, so 0 to 4 will be 5. So then the queue will be full. Else, r is incremented by 1, and then the user has to enter a number to store in the queue. And then see in what is the I, and then array I will be stored in the array. And if f equals to -1, then f equals to 0. In delete queue, if f equals to -1, then cout is queue is empty. Else the deleted data will be printed, that is array of f. If f equals to r, then f equals to r equals to -1. Else f is incremented. In the display queue, if f equals to -1, then the queue is empty, else the data is displayed. We have taken a for loop here in which we have initialized j to f, and then j will always be less than or equal to r. J will be incremented by 1, and then the output will be printed array of j. Inside the main function, we have taken an integer and a character, integer m and character ch. We have given an option to the user for functions to be done. Insert, delete, and display. I've taken a switch case here to do the following functions. In the circular queue, I've done the same, and then for insert queue, in the circular queue to the insert queue, if f equals to the front equals to the rear plus 1 modulus of 5, then the queue is full. Else, if r equals to rear equals to rear plus 1 modulus of 5, then the user has to enter the number to store in the queue, and the array will store the value I. And if f equals to -1, that is front equals to 0, then it's incremented to 1, that is given to 0. For the delete, if f equals to -1, then the queue is empty. Else, the deleted data array of f, array is printed, and if array of f equals to r, if f equals to r, that is if front equals to rear, then it is equal to -1. Else, front is equalized to front plus 1 modulus 5. In the display queue, if f equals to 1 -1, then the queue is empty. Else the data is displayed using an if and equal statement. If front is greater than rear, then two for loops are used here. That is integer j is initialized to f, and j will always be less than or equal to 4. J is incremented by 1 each time, and then the output array of j is printed. In the next for loop, the same here in the next for loop, the j is initialized to 0. J is always less than or equal to r, and j is incremented by 1. I'll see out the array is printed here. Else, if j equals to f and j is less than r and j is incremented by 1. In the main function, I've given a switch case here to insert, delete, or break. I'll run linear queue now. I've taken a number to be entered. I've inserted 3 numbers now. Let's display that. The 3 numbers are over here, 9, 8, and 7. And then you use the delete function. The data is deleted as 9. Okay. I'll run the circular queue program now. Insert the data. To enter the store, this number to store. Hmm. Yeah, another number is being stored in the queue. It's displayed 3, 8, and 6. Then I'll insert few more elements. As we see, the circular queue goes on continuing here, and then I delete an element. The deleted data is 3, and we display the number 8624. Thank you, sir.